Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to extend Google Meet time limit in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open of course the Google Meet website. Okay, so as you can see on the Google Meet dashboard guys, you can see here the try premium Google Meet features, and as you can see guys that if you did not subscribe on their plan, so the meeting will be limited. Okay, so in order for us to extend the Google Meet time limit guys, you just have to click this explore plan button. Click that one guys, and you just have to choose or click this one guys, get premium, this one guys. So you just have to wait for a sec, and it actually says guys that per month guys you will be paying at least 599 peso. It is a Philippine currency. So after subscribing that guys, if you try to start a new meeting, there will be no time limit if you have a meeting, or you are conducting a meeting in Google Meet. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you learn and enjoy from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Meet. Thank you.